In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you've ever wanted to split your main drive into separate sections for files, backups, or projects, this guide will walk you through it clearly and safely. First, open Disk Management, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type disk-mgmt.msc and press Enter. This opens the Disk Management console where you can see your drives laid out visually. In the lower section, find your main drive, which is typically labeled C. We'll be shrinking this drive to free up space for a new partition. Right-click the main drive and choose Shrink Volume. Windows will analyze the drive to determine how much space it can safely shrink. This may take a moment. The amount it offers depends on your free space and certain files Windows can't move while running. So don't worry if the number isn't exactly what you expected. When the shrink dialog appears, enter the amount of space you want to take from the main drive. In megabytes, remember, 1 gigabyte equals 124 megabytes. For example, if you want a 20 gigabyte partition, enter 20,480 megabytes. It's a good idea to leave comfortable free space on C for system updates and apps. When you are happy with the size, click Shrink. Windows will create unallocated space, shown as a black bar. Next, create the new volume. Right-click the black unallocated block and select New Simple Volume. This launches a setup wizard that will guide you through a few quick prompts. Click Next. You will be asked to assign a drive letter. You can accept the default suggestion or pick another available letter that makes sense to you. This is how the new partition will show up in File Explorer. Now choose how to format the partition. Select NTFS as the file system and leave the allocation unit size at default for general use. If you want, enter a volume label. This is simply the name you will see in File Explorer, like Projects or Media. Click Next, then Finish. Windows will create and format the partition automatically. Once it completes, your new drive appears immediately in File Explorer. Ready to store files just like any other drive. You can start organizing your data, install applications that support custom locations, or use it for backups and large media libraries. And if you ever need to change the size again, you can return to Disk Management and repeat the process. Thanks for watching.